Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about encoding. So, label encoding. So, how to do label encoding? First, we're gonna start with pandas. We're gonna use OHE, one hot encoding, not label encoding. And we're gonna use pandas for this. So, import pandas as PD. So what we're gonna do is data equals to data one CSV. My bad. PD dot read CSV, and it's the data one dot CSV. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, my brother's here today. Kiddos-AK is here today. He's gonna watch my video. He knows coding too. He's learning the complicated coding. Okay? Okay. So data. So when we print this, it has our table. So it has a name, country, and all this stuff. Computer, the total, the average, the rank, right? So we're gonna use OHE on country. So new. So it's gonna be true or false, because if you know what OHE is, which is one hot encoding, we can apply for two or more categories. So PD dot get dummies data comma columns equals to
Dummies, data,
country
columns,
country, and all we gotta do is just print new country. That's it. And after we do that, we just have to run. So what it's basically gonna do is gonna print true or false. Like let's say John, what country does he live in? Does he live in Germany? No, so that's false. Does he live in India? It's false. So no. Does he live in USA? It's false. I mean, yes, he does. So we write true. We do the same thing for every name. So does Ava live in this country, that country? Yes, true. Okay, it works like this. I could add another column too. Let's say let's see what we have. Let's try. Rank. Let's try rank. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, rank would also work too. So rank 1, because the numbers here, that's 5 categories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4. See, it works, right? So it's just the same thing. OHE applies basically for 2 or more columns, or some categories. I mean, my bad. Label encoding applies for 2 or less categories. Okay, but I could use OHE if there's only 2 categories or 1. Sometimes it can apply. Okay, so thank you everyone for listening to my video. I hope you like it, and bye.